Hello students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching mathematics of standard 3rd. Here we are going to continue chapter number 1, where to look from part 5. So here in this question we are going to solve some important and extra questions. Here, many of the questions are repeated, same as in textbook. So, let's begin with our questions. Question number 1. Here, front view, side view, and top view of the objects are shown below. Draw the missing view in empty space. Here, first one is already solved. The cap is drawn here. This is a front side of view, this is a side view, and this is a top view of the cap. So with the help of this we need to solve the other questions. So let's see. The number 2 is one book is given here and its side view is given and top view is given. We are going to see what is the front view of this book. So if we see this book from front side, that means from here, we can see the book is in this shape. So our front view of the book is shows us this type of shape. So you need to draw this type of shape. In third picture, bus is given. The front view of the bus is here and the top view of the bus is given here. Now we are need to draw side view of the bus. For that, see, I have already drawn this. We need to draw the side view. Everyone knows that in side view we can see two wheels and many windows were there in side views and one door also. So in side view you can draw this type of picture. Now with the help of these examples you need to draw some more front view as well as top view of the pictures. So here one car is given and you need to draw the front view of the car and the top view of the car. So in front view only the front side, that means only the front side of the car you can draw. So you can observe here in this bus how the front view of the bus is given or drawn, same as you need to draw a front view of the car, as well as you need to draw a top view of the car. So simply you will see this type of shape of the car from upside. So with the help of top view we can draw the diagram. Again, the next question is, the picture is given here is of stairs. Everyone knows that what is stairs. So this is a front view of the stairs. This is a side view of the stairs. Now we need to draw top view of the stairs. So simply if we see from top, we can simply draw the stairs like this. After that, one table is given here. So the front view is given and the top view is given. Now we need to draw the side view. So simply we need to draw the side view like this. In next example, the front view of the chair is given, the side view of the chair is given. Now we need to draw the टॉप व्यू. दैट मीन्स अगर हम लोग ऊपर से देखते तो वो चेयर कैसे दिखेगी, तो सिंपली वी कैन ऑब्जर्व दिस टाइप ऑफ फिगर. सो front view of the chair, side view of the chair and top view of the chair is done. After that, bat is given. So the front view of the bat is here, side view is given here. Now we need to draw the top view of the bat. So simply if we see the bat from top, we can only observe this type of figure. So you can draw this. After that, the side view of the cup is given and top view of the cup is given. Now we need to see the front view of this cup. So this is your homework. So you need to draw by yourself that how the cup looks when we see the cup from front side. So here is our next question. Question number 2. Draw the shapes as shown below. Again, this question is already we had done in textbook. So again, here different types of shapes were drawn with the help of many dots. So you can see here the shape number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are total 7 dotted shapes given here, and the same shapes you need to draw in remaining dots given. So you can see here I have already drawn some shapes. Actually all the shapes I have drawn here with the help of pencil. So with the help of joining the dots we can draw these shapes. Again in these shapes many horizontal lines, many vertical lines. See in this diagram slanting line is also included, and in this figure you can see the curved line also there. So with the help of horizontal lines, with the help of vertical lines, with the help of slanting and curved line, we can draw all these pictures. Let's move further. So question number 3. Draw the rangoli as shown below using the dots of the dot grid. So already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Already 7 rangolis are given here with the help of dots. They had made these rangolis. So again the remaining dotted part we need to fill with our rangolis. So with the help of these given figures we can draw rangolis. So you can see here I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 rangolis I have drawn. So you can observe the figure from here and you can same rangoli can perform in other dotted line. This question also we had already done in textbook. So our next question is question number 4. Complete the shapes to make squares or rectangles. So here one line is given here, and with the help of this line we need to complete the other part of this shape. So these 2 lines are already given. Now we need to complete this square or rectangle, any shape. So let's see, if we take 3 dots from here and the 4 dots from here, so one rectangle is prepared. So with the help of dots and vertical and horizontal straight line we can make one rectangle. So in second diagram we can see two slanting lines were given. So with the help of these two slanting lines, with the help of pencil we can made it join and make a one triangle. So again with the help of dots, here square is made. Again this one is square, rectangle and square. So these shapes we complete with the help of dots. Question number 5. Draw as shown below. One drawing is already given, and with the help of this drawing we need to draw one more. So you can see here I have already drawn it. So you can count the points, dots, and you can draw same as it. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 4 dots are covered in single horizontal line. So again 1 2 3 4 I have also occupy 4 lines to make one horizontal line. Again here 1 2 3 3 dots are covered. So 1 2 3 I have also covered these 3 dots. So with the help of counting dots and using horizontal and vertical line we can make this figure. Again in interior part of this diagram some slanting lines were used. So again with the help of slanting lines we can complete this figure or shape. One more example is given here. Now this one you need to draw here in homework. Let's see question number 6. This question again we are going to do. You had already done this in your textbook. Let's see, with the help of this dot you need to complete these shapes. Draw the objects using the dots and dots of the dot grid given below. So number 1 is boat. With the help of this dot we need to draw one boat. So you can see here with the help of dots the boat is shown in the figure. The second one is kite. So with the help of this dot how you can draw the kite. So in textbook we had already done this. So this type of figure you can made. After that star. So again we can make star from this dot like this. After that pot. So you can see here I have already drawn it. Then flower. Again you can use your own technique to draw flower. After that leaf. So you can observe here I have already drawn it. Then house. So again I have done this. Then mountain. So with the help of this dot you can draw a mountain. You can also use horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. With the help of these line we can draw these figures. Also we can use curved line also. Here question number 7. Draw the mirror half of the following pictures. So many pictures are already given in your textbook. So with the help of that we need to complete our picture. So the half of diya is already given and the half one we need to complete. It is called a mirror half. That means both the sides from left side to right side they both looks same. It is called a mirror half. So you can observe this diagram. I have already made diya, then this butterfly. So with the help of pencil you can complete this mirror half picture. Again the scissor is given here. So with the help of pencil you can complete it. So the remaining shapes or remaining pictures you need to complete by yourself in homework, because these all shapes we had done in our textbook. So for revision purpose you need to draw these pictures by yourself. Now our next question is question number 8. Draw the mirror half of the following letters or words. In question number 7, we had saw a picture of mirror half. Now in question number 8, we need to draw a letters or words by using mirror half method. So you can see here the half part of A is given on right hand side, and the other part we need to draw by using pencil. So you can see here with the help of pencil the same as it is mirror half I have drawn. So you can see from right side to draw for left hand side part. Again this B downward part is given and you need to draw the upper side of this letter. Again this C is given, the downward portion is already given and you need to draw the upper portion of this letter. In H, left hand side letter is complete and we need to complete the right hand side of the half letter. So by watching the other mirror half portion you can complete this letter by yourself. So again this K I have completed, U you can see here, M is completed. So with the help of this mirror half you need to complete these other words with the help of pencil. So we can see here D I C E is given, that means dice. This spelling is dice. Here H O W, that means how. H I K E, hike. So you need to complete these words. Then W A X, that means wax. Here B O O K, that means book. In this picture COOKED, that means cooked. So you can complete this letter by yourself in homework. So in this part we had seen many extra questions in that the front, side and top view of the objects we had learned. After that we learn about draw the shapes as shown below with the help of dots, and we used here horizontal lines, vertical lines, then slanting lines and curved line, and with the help of these all types of line we drawn many interesting figures. After that we saw question number 3, in that various types of very beautiful rangolis we drawn with the help of pencil. So again in this we used curved lines. After that in question number 4 we complete the shapes by using these dots. In number 5 we try to draw the shape given in this figure. After that in question number 6 we had drawn many different types of pictures like boat, kite, star, pot, flower, leaf, house and mountain. Again in this we used horizontal horizontal lines, vertical lines, slanting lines and curved lines. After that we saw question number 7. In that very interesting mirror half pattern we saw here. So with the help of the half portion we tried ourselves best to draw the other part as it is. In question number 8 we saw mirror half of letters and words, and with the help of this mirror half we made some words like dice, how, hike, wax, book and cooked. Thank you.